The next marshmallow I'm going to make is the pink heart. And with this pink ball of Play-Doh, I'm going to flatten it out a bit. Then I'm going to make some small cuts. Curving my card, I'm going to cut a little bit more shallow. One cut and two, and one more on the top here. Then I have a special card that I folded in half, and that's going to cut off this part. So let me go this way and then curve it just like a normal heart. Then cut that little piece off there. And once I hold it up, there's the basic shape of the heart. And I'm going to just use my fingers to smooth out the edges and also make the shape even more look like a heart. And there's my pink heart marshmallow.